Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Alright, so Owen will be one of the pundits out there in world football. Don't come outside, come talk your own prediction for who go win the title, who go be the challengers, who go end second, third, fourth, and like that. So back on talk say for him, he see Arsenal also challenging Man City to the league title this new season when they come, because although it talks saying still see Man City winning the title, but you know they easy. Arsenal will still be there. The repeat of what happened last season, in the see that kind of thing happening again this season, like everybody feel falter, but Arsenal will be right there, up there, pushing City, pushing them, you get, to try and make things happen. So you got to saying they see people will finish third, like Liverpool finishing third, Manchester United finishing fourth, Chelsea finishing fifth, then Tottenham Hotspur finishing ninth, and like that. Now, so you can't give your own prediction, because why people they think say Tottenham Hotspur no will do anything this season is because of the imminent exit of Harry Kane. You get, because from my understanding, Bayern Munich don't offer like 80-something million pounds, and they like discuss with Daniel Levy, and even I think the owner of Spurs don't talk say if Kane no will sign new contract, they then sell him, because Tottenham Hotspur then they in between two decisions: either let Kane finish in last year and move out as a free agent, or collect money now and start your rebuilding. So now what they say. So I don't know what I think about what Michael Owen talk. I know say a lot of Arsenal fans don't really like this Michael Owen. They feel he usually says bad things about us. But what do you guys think about what he said? Alright, so away from that, so Fabrizio Romano come outside and let us know updates about Thomas Partey, because yesterday there was news making the rounds say Thomas Partey don't start new talks with Juventus. Say Juventus don't contact them after Juventus targets Frank Kessie who joined Al Ahly. So Juventus comes and says, okay, we'll come and get you, let's discuss, because Denis Zakaria of Juve is on his way out. So when he leaves, we'll bring you. So Romano can explain, say, as the situation stands now, say, back in June, Arsenal were happy to let Thomas Partey go. But Arteta don't decide now, say, okay, I don't want you to go again, make you stay. So Romano Corridor say the only reason we're going to make Thomas Partey leave, that maybe if Arsenal gets a bid that surpasses £40 million, then their head will shift. They will feel they consider. And another thing na Partey also, if Partey can push, say, Baba won't go, they no go get any choice, because they don't let Partey understand, say, you and Declan Rice can still coexist, as we saw in the match in the Emirates who play against Monaco. Two of you can still coexist, so make you know the fear say he is here to maybe replace you entirely. Yeah, so just calm down. So that myself don't make Thomas Partey mind calm down. So more just the watch. If Juve puts their money where their mouth is, come give us a bid bigger than 40 million. We can say, okay, how far now? What's this up? This guy now old man now, so we can know that we'll cash in. Come we bring younger players. So till then, Partey is not for sale. Alright, Paul Brown also will be journalists come outside and analyze this and David Raya, Arteta and everything. So but back when they explain, say Arteta don't they pursue Raya for a very, very long time. Like, he has been a long time admirer of Raya, and he wants Raya to come into Arsenal and bring stiff competition for Aaron Ramsdale. Now this Raya, the guy they earn £25,000 per week for Brentford doing this. So if they come Arsenal everly, Arsenal will double or triple that salary. At the same time, some people they forget, say this same guy now replaced the game for Spain. Some people they forget for you to know how good, how highly recommended he comes. So and I see many people will see the para, say Ramsdale is this one, Ramsdale is that one. Like they don't want to agree, say okay, Ramsdale person feel better person. You know, say in the pecking order of goalkeepers in England, Ramsdale is number 3. Some of you don't even know that Nick Pope is even rated highly than Ramsdale. Some people don't even they are aware. Pickford is number 1, Pope is 2nd, Ramsdale is 3rd. Because some people just believe, say, because Ramsdale is number 1 at Arsenal, therefore nobody can be better than him. Well, I'm sorry to burst your bubble. You get, as we do now, the only thing we're supposed to be concerned with yourself as an Arsenal fan is that we need competition in all places. You get. So, and another thing I want to even ask those where they clamor for Ramsdale, like, Raya cannot do this, Raya. Don't you think if Raya comes in, say Raya will make Ramsdale sit up and stay there in number 1 and do less errors and stop childish plays. Now, not the reason go towards that direction. Say if Raya come in now, the competition will make Ramsey surgeon himself. You just be like you go for school now, they carry first up and down, they carry first up and down. They can't transfer you go another school where senior men dey. You can't go there, you can't carry fifth. That's what you just did. Ramsey dey Arsenal now, yes, number one. But that does not mean another keeper cannot come and pursue him. You get? Not that Ramsey pursue Leno. Was Leno not our number one before? So now so the nature of the game be. And as Arteta dey remember say if Arteta do anyhow, na him dey sack o. No be you dey go sack o. You wey dey say make dem no bring Raya. No be you dey go sack o. Na Arteta dey go sack at the end of the day. So make na no dey let emotions dey cloud una judgment. Look at things logically. When you see statistics, don't look for excuse to deny the statistics. Look at the statistics objectively and be happy that that person that has that statistics is coming to Arsenal. Once he comes, it's going to better the people we have already. Not be say if Raya coming today, they go pursue Ramsey today. No, but the presence of that Raya will make Ramsey sit up. And that is what we want at phase 4. I always say the message is clear. So all those who they say Ramsey, as don't like Ramsey, no. Not that I don't like him, but I want competition, and that is the way it's supposed to be. Alright, so away from that, so quite yesterday, Lokonga deal with Burnley, the loan with obligation, it go soon end. Now, like they go soon finalize everything yet because we want the guy to go and develop more. And Burnley is like one of the best places for him to go to because of the influence of Victor Company. He gets so now, so it just be well. My dear Arsenal lovers, we just say the guy will go out. And I like the boy, very, very humble. You know the two complete. I mean, just go there, completing waiting the lane. Then maybe by the time he will come back, he will run Bira again. So that's our prayer for him. Let him have a nice preseason and everything. Alright, another thing we want to hear say Atalanta. You see this news there? It is very, very interesting. Atalanta they very, very close to hijack Gianluca Scamacca deal for West Ham. Now, you know, say Inter Milan initially they were interested in signing Folarin Balogun. So they got to say the price they're too high because Arsenal are quoting 50 million euros, which is about 45 million pounds. So for that reason, Inter can't say the money it did too much. Not just Inter, but Crystal Palace, Leipzig. Everybody when they look for Balogun, they complain say the price is too high. Now Inter can see another option. Roma won't sign Gianluca Scamacca from West Ham. Inter can go there say they won't hijack the deal. So then go there come make an offer of 17 million pounds bid. And West Ham when they angry say that bid is too small. Now another person can come to hijack those who won't come hijack another person deal. Atalanta waiting for Serie A. Then say don't come. They can offer 25 million pound and a 5 million pound in 25 million euros and a 5 million euros in add-ons, which is 30 million. Now West Ham are on the verge of accepting the deal. So Fabrizio Romano let us know say Atalanta and West Ham are close to agreeing the deal. So here we go is coming soon. Now Fabrizio also let us know say Inter Milan is going back to focus their attention on Folarin Balogun to resume talks with Arsenal. Now, what are the implications? Inter came in initially, said the price was too high, they ran away, they were defeated, now they are coming back. If you were Arsenal, what would you do? You get so the issue now with this Folarin Balogun, why they try to let some people understand because a lot of people know they see things from the way I explain now. Whether that the way I take explain, I don't know. I go see explain and again. Now, Inter are saying the price is too high. Everybody wants to sign this player. They say the price is too high. Arsenal fans they say make Arsenal not reduce the price. When they still leave out for that 50 million. Say after all, we sell for the go buy people player. The price is high. For example, some people mention Declan Rice. So they go buy Declan Rice and the price is too high. But the difference is we were one buy Declan Rice. We felt Declan Rice is worth the price. Now reverse that situation. All the people who won't consign our own player, they are saying he is not worth that price. Nobody don't come outside and say, okay, I am still in the race. He's worth the price. So if you are in that kind of situation, what do you do as a selling club? Now market forces then they determine price. Get if the market forces are saying this guy is not worth it. So you as a selling club, make an answer me. What do you do? Like what next now? If all the 5 people want to buy the player, he's saying it's not worth 50 million. You, the selling club, is saying is worth 50 million. And there's a caveat because you will be the selling club. You don't talk to the guy not in your project. So now, if the people want buy and not buyer, are you using this boy? These are the questions people need to understand. So the question now is, what next? Let me know for the comment section because me I don't want to put my own opinion out there. But I just hear on our own. What next? Selling club say it's too much. We know if you pay, reduce the price. You won't buy, say, lie, I know the loser, now so it will be, and you talk saying you don't even do your projects. So what next? Alright, so for the media setting, when they ask Arteta say on new additions, say what's the sub? So whether he must bring new people to come in. So Arteta can talk say we are in the process of squad building. Then we want healthy competition in the squad, and we are working on a few things. Now these are the words of Arteta, like quotes. I collect the quotes because if you go for Arsenal website, you will see the interview Arteta do, the transcripts. You can read it. This is quotes. We are bringing new additions. We want healthy competition in our team. That's what it's supposed to be, and that is what I have been saying. Why do you think that Arteta want to bring in this Raya? For healthy competition. What does healthy competition means? You bring in somebody and you waited there before, you go look that person. Because of that person where they come in, you go surgery yourself, you can't play more than you play before. If you be person they make mistakes, you go correct all your errors. That is what we should be clamoring for. Not be sad. When Ramsey came in, he was a healthy competition for Leno. Leno could not withstand the competition and Leno ran away. That's so life be. Now Raya may come in, so it is left for Ramsdale to sit up. If Ramsdale now decide that this guy energy, this guy hits, he passed me, I want Jackpot, it's on him, it's not on us. So that is the way life is. Soldier go, soldier come, barracks do it, barracks remain too. That's what life be. Alright, still on the media setting, so when they ask Arteta about Gabriel Jesus' injury, obviously everybody is sad, they're not happy. We do it happen like we'll be starting the season without our star man. So Arteta when they explain, say he's okay, he's fine, and he will be back soon. You can say they're not expecting that procedure will happen, but I think they feel some kind of discomfort, so they don't get a choice. You just say they just quickly run and get. And me say I'm happy say they run am early, make it not be seen also can affect us later. So maybe they just run am, we'll just manage. Now just few games. From what we dey hear, they say go miss like 3 games. There's no be like his, like Arteta say, no be like say the thing a major or something, but the earlier the better. Get more just run and more come on mind there. So we just watch and just pray make it not affect us, because we need to start the season very, very well. So let's just keep watching. Alright, so Rio Ferdinand also come as I talk about Martinelli. Talk say this Martinelli now we see where they play around now, where they play very, very well. Say years back, Arteta predict say this guy will be world-class player. Even say I won't cast my mind back. Remember when you get club, they talk about Martinelli when they talk say Martinelli is going to be the player of the decade. Like in the see the guy get bright future for the way they play. So Rio come say remember the last time when you see Arteta years back, we go ask and say this Martinelli boy, I see the boy, I the play. Arteta say this boy is very, very special. It gets, and today the boy don't they deliver. It gets his return on investment is crazy. Come to think of it, so we'll buy this guy from more than a 3rd division Brazilian league. It's Swano. Now we'll buy this guy. How much you can buy him now? Look at him today. If they want to sell Martinelli today, you know, say the boy will command like 70-80 million. So that's just it. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So start signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now get out.